Sometimes you want to sell gift cards from your WordPress website and you don't want to install the WooCommerce plugin, which is for heavier tasks like electronic stores. For example, on this restaurant website, I had to create this nice looking gift card so a visitor could send it online to a friend with any amount of money on it. Although on this website the WooCommerce plugin is already installed, the request for making a very nice looking gift card and some automation in the process made me go with another plugin. The plugin I am using here is Fluentforms Pro, which provides the payment option as well as the ability to design any type of custom form. With this plugin, you are able to design an amazing gift card and automate the process in just a few minutes. Specifically, the process of selling a gift card involves 3 people: the purchaser, the recipient, and, of course, the website owner, who in this case is the restaurant owner. Each one of them should be notified by email as soon as the purchase is completed. With Fluentforms Pro, the process is simplified and all 3 parties are satisfied and happy. Also, the fact that Fluentforms Pro is compatible with the free version of the Elementor page builder helps a lot, as you are able to customize the form from inside Elementor. It is a paid plugin, but it costs only $59 per year and, believe me, it is worth the money till the last cent, as I use it on all my websites for any type of form. If you want to purchase it, I will leave the link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, but you won't pay any extra. It just gives me a small fee to keep this channel alive and make free tutorial videos. Let's now see how we can create the gift card. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at WPGoPro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. Here we are at the WordPress dashboard, and the first thing to do is to install the Fluentforms plugin. I am going to click Add New in the Plugins folder. Search for Fluent. The free version is the first one in the top left corner. As you can see, I have already installed it, but in your case, you should click to install and activate it. Also, in case you haven't already installed the free version of the Elementor page builder, please repeat the same steps to do it now. Again, on this website, I have already installed the Elementor page builder, as you can see. Now back to installing the paid version of the Fluentforms Pro plugin. As I said at the beginning of this video, you click the link in the description below to get the plugins page. Then you click the button Buy Now, and you complete the steps for the purchase. At the end, you will be able to download the plugin on your hard disk in zip format. Now click the button Upload Plugin. Drop it in this area here and click Install Now. In a few seconds, the process is finished, and you may go back to the plugin installer. The next step is to go to the global settings of the Fluentforms plugin. Now click on the Payment Settings. In this section, you must enable the payment module, type in the business name and address, and upload the logo. In the Payment Methods tab, you have the available payment methods supported by the plugin. I will use Stripe and PayPal as they are the most popular ones. First, using Stripe, I have already connected the plugin to my Stripe account. Also, I have enabled the method in test mode. I don't want to touch this configuration now, but I can show you how to connect your Stripe and PayPal accounts using another copy of the same website I have on my local disk. So here we are in Payment Settings. We must click on the green button, Enable Fluentforms Payment Module. Type in the business name and address and upload the logo. In the Currency tab, select the preferred currency, which in my case is the Australian dollar. Save the settings. In Pages and Subscription Management, you can create 2 pages if you want, one for payment management and one for payment receipt. In my case, I will handle everything with email notifications, so I will skip this for now. In Payment Methods, click to enable Stripe. Now you must connect the plugin to your Stripe account, so click the button. You are shown a window with all of the available Stripe accounts. You choose your account and click Connect. Now I am going back to show you the next payment method, which is PayPal. Again, you must enable the method and then type in the email address of your PayPal account. Click Save PayPal Settings, and you are done. For selling gift cards, nothing else is required. If you want to sell subscriptions, then you must follow the instructions provided for both payment methods at the bottom of each corresponding page. Okay, let's go back to the live website and navigate to the Forms folder. I am going to create a new blank form, so click on Add New Form. Now in the blank form template, click Create Form. In this area, we are going to design our gift card form. From the right column with the available fields, select the drop-down field and drop it on the form. Click the pencil icon to edit the field. The label for this field is Title, and the options are Mr., Mrs., and Miss. Now drop the name fields and the email field onto the form. I am going to change the label to read Buyer Email. In the advanced section of the email field, I am changing the name attribute to email_buyer. Also, I'm making this field a required field. Actually, both the first name and last name and the title field should be required fields as well. So let's do that too. Now let's add a custom HTML field to the form. I am going to use it as the section title. So click the pencil icon to edit it and type in the title, Gift Card Buyer. Change the format to be heading 2. By clicking the double squares icon, I duplicate the field. I moved the copy further down on the form, and I changed the text to Gift Card Recipient. Now I duplicate the title field and I move the copy to the recipient section. In its advanced section, I changed the name attribute to drop-down_title_recipient. I am changing the name attribute of the buyer's title as well, and now it reads drop-down_title_buyer. Bring the name fields into the recipient section. Again, both names should be required and that name attribute should be names_recipient. Let's check the buyer's name fields. Its name attribute should be names_buyer. I think I forgot to make the last name a required field, so let's fix it. Now drop into the form the email field and make it a required field. Its name attribute should be email_recipient. I am duplicating the section title to create another copy for the card. So I am moving it to the bottom and I am changing the text to Gift Card Details. Now, from the payment fields at the bottom of the left column, select the Custom Payment Amount field and drop it on the form. This is the field holding the card's amount of money. So its label should be Gift Card Amount, and let's give a minimum amount of $10 and leave the maximum empty. From the general fields, select the Text Area field and drop it on the form. Change its label to Message. If you like, make it a required field, but I will leave it optional this time. From the advanced fields, select the Terms and Conditions field and drop it on the form under the Message field. Now, duplicate the section title to create a copy for the payment method. Change the text to read Payment Method. From the payment fields, select the Payment Method field and drop it on the form at the bottom part. As you see, both Stripe and PayPal are shown because we have both enabled in the plugin's global settings. Now click to edit the button Submit. I am going to change its label to be Purchase Gift Card. Save the form. Now if you click the button Preview and Design, you can get an idea of what the form looks like. It's a nice, decent form, but we're going to change the look and feel later. Close the Preview tab now. The last thing we should do is to give a name to the form, so click here at the top left corner. I am giving the name Gift Card Demo. Now it is time to create a page for this form. So click on the Pages folder and open it in a new tab. I have already created a page, but I am going to create a new empty one now. So click Add New. The title is Gift Card Demo, and you can publish it by clicking the Publish button. Now click Edit with Elementor. Okay, we are ready to add a few elements to this empty page. So search for Fluent. Here we get 3 available elements for the Fluent Forms plugin, but in your case you will get only one, which is provided by the free version of the Elementor page builder. The element we need is the one in the top left column. So drop it onto the page. Select the form to be the Gift Card Demo. From the Advanced tab, we can add some padding to the form. I guess 30 pixels is good. From the Style tab, I will change the background color to a light yellow. Okay, this is not exactly what I had in mind, so let's click on the column settings and try to change the column's background color. I am selecting the same light yellow color, and this time the form looks better. I am now changing the border radius to 10. I am adding some space at the top part of the page above the form section. So add a new section and a spacer inside of it. Click Update. Now let's preview the page, so click the Preview button here at the bottom. Our page looks okay, but there are still a few things to do. So let's go back to the editor and first add a new section with a spacer at the bottom of the page. Let's see the preview again. Reload the page. We are getting there, but there are still a few things to do. Again, at the bottom of the page, I am going to add a new section and some text inside of it. The text explains the terms and conditions related to the way the gift card can be used. Click Update and review the page one more time. Okay, much better now, but since it's a gift card for a restaurant, I want to give it the restaurant feeling, so let's try something else now. Click to edit the column and, from the Advanced tab, add a 50 pixel margin. Now, click to edit the section and change the background from the Style tab. I will choose a picture from the library as the new background. Now I am going to remove the top section with the spacer. At the bottom of the page, I will move the Terms and Conditions text inside the section with the colorful background. Now delete the empty sections at the bottom of the page. Click to edit the Fluent form element. We can do a little bit of styling from the Style tab. For example, I am changing the label's colors and typography. Also, I am changing the color of the section break and the GDPR and terms and conditions. Okay, time to save the changes. Let's check the page one more time. Reload the page to get the updated version. As you can see, the result is a better looking page. But still, I see something which I don't like, and I am going to explain it by going back to the gift cards editor. So here, I have used a custom HTML field for a section header, but I should have used a section break field instead. The section break field is inside the advanced fields, and now I am going to replace all the custom HTML fields. So, I am adding the section break field to the form and I am copying the title from the custom HTML field. I am also adding a short description under the title. The process is straightforward, and I am going to fast forward this video till all sections are done. Okay, all the section break fields have been added to the form, so save the changes. Let's check the page one more time. Reload the page. Now the sections have adopted the color defined in the Style tab. It seems I have forgotten to remove one of the custom HTML fields, so let's do that as well. So here it is. The gift card details field should be removed. Save the changes and review the page one more time. Let's also change the typography of the section break fields. The font family should be Red Rose in this case. Update the page and check it. I guess you agree that the page is fine now. Now it is time to add some functionality to our page. So let's return to the editing. Click on Settings and Integrations. In the Form Settings tab, we are supposed to type a confirmation message for the gift cards buyer. So the message reads something like, "Hi," and then I want to get the buyer's name. So click the green button, Add Shortcodes, and select the name from the list. The message goes something like, "Thank you for your interest in purchasing a," and then I need the card's amount, which again is available in the shortcodes. After the amount, the message continues with the words, "gift card," and then a full stop. Then the message goes, "We have already informed," and I get the shortcode of the recipient's title and name. The message continues, "of the gift card's availability, and we are confident that you will enjoy a special time with us." Finally, the message ends with regards to the buyer and the signature and logo of the restaurant. Save the settings to complete the confirmation. The next tab is the Payment Settings of the card. In this tab, I am going to change the currency to Australian dollars. The field Customer Email should be equal to Buyer Email and Customer Name should be equal to the buyer's name. Click to save the settings. The Email Notifications tab is where we set up the notifications we want the system to send to the administrator and the recipient of the card. So first, for the administrator's notification, click the blue icon to edit the default notification. The shortcode All Data returns all the data captured by the card, so the administrator gets an email with all the data. I will only add a heading and a logo, and that's all I have to do. I may also change the subject of the email notification to be more informative. Now, save the notification. Click to enable the notification and then click Add Notification. I am giving the name Notification to the recipient. For the field Send To, I select the recipient's email, which is named simply Email. In the email's subject, I type the message, "Good news. You have just got a," and then the amount of the card follows. I select the amount from the available shortcodes and then I add to the subject the word "gift." Similar to the confirmation message, the idea is to form a dynamic email body message with an informative way and shortcodes related to the card's fields. So the final message reads, "Hi recipient. The good news is that the buyer has purchased a $100 gift card for you, which we are delighted to share with you. The message attached to the card is as follows. Hi recipient. This is a nice restaurant, and I would like you to visit it. You may thank Mr. Buyer by sending an email to his email. Your gift card may be redeemed at the restaurant at any time starting today to enjoy your dinner reservation. In this case, the value of your gift card will be deducted from your bill. We are looking forward to seeing you. Save the notification. Now it is time to test the functionality of the gift card. So reload the form. I am going to fill out the form using 2 test email accounts. So in this test scenario, Mr. Nick Caggiolaris purchases a gift card to be sent to Mrs. Tia Melas. For the amount, I type $100 and in the message I type, "Hi Tia, this is a nice restaurant and I would like you to visit it." Click here to check the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. I am using the test credit card number so the transaction will go through. The gift card buyer is Nick Caggiolaris, and we expect the recipient, who in this case is Tia Melas, to get the email notification regarding the card. So click the button to purchase the gift card. As you can see, Tia got the email, which is exactly what we had created. Also, the confirmation message for the buyer looks fine as well. The administrator of the restaurant website gets the email containing all the details about the gift card purchase. Finally, I want to go back to the dashboard to All Forms folder. Now click the Entries link under the gift card demo form. We have an entry capturing all the data from the form submission. Click the blue icon to get all the details of the gift card purchase. As you can see, all the details are captured, and at the bottom you get the payment details through Stripe. That concludes our tutorial for today, and I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video and you don't want to miss my weekly videos related to WordPress and business online, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. My name is Nick, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video.